Good morning, students. Today we are going to start 4th class term 2 English. Our second lesson name is the Olympics, an ancient tradition. So Olympics were an ancient tradition. More than 3000 years ago in ancient Greece, people gathered in large numbers for a grand show, the Olympic Games. So here they are saying that more than 3000 years ago, it means in ancient period, that is Greece, in Greece country, in the ancient period, people gathered in a large number. So in a large number of people gathered in a grand show. The show name is the Olympic Games. According to a legend, two Greek gods, Zeus and Cronus, once fought for the ownership of the earth. So here, according to legend means a story from the past which may or may not be true. This story, it may or may not be true. Two Greek gods, the two Greek gods names are Zeus and Cronus. Once they fought for the ownership of the earth, and among them it was a long and mighty battle, and Zeus won. So it was a long and mighty means the battle took place for years and years. So in that battle Zeus won. To celebrate his victory, Zeus organized the first Olympic Games at Mount Olympus, the abode of the gods. So after winning Zeus, what he did, he organized a first Olympic Games. At which place? At Mount Olympus, the abode of the gods. The abode of the gods. Abode means home of the gods. He organized the first Olympic Games. After that, the games were held every 4 years in Greece. So after that first Olympic Games, the Olympic Games were held once in 4 years. It began as a small religious festival but soon grew to be a very popular and important event. So in starting it began as a small religious festival, but after it became very popular and important event. After at first there were only athlete events such as races. So in that Olympic Games, in the starting they were only athletic events like races, but gradually wrestling, archery, chariot racing, horse racing, mule cart racing and boxing were included. So after some years these games were included in the Olympic Games. A very popular event was the pentathlon. So among the Olympic Games, a very important popular event was held. That event name is pentathlon, which was a combination of 5 contests. So discus throw, javelin throw, running, long jump and wrestling. So these are the pentathlon of 5 contests. The Olympic Games included more than just a sports event. So in the Olympic Games, they were included sports events also. There were contests from poets, dramatists, actors and public speakers too. So not only sports events, they were included contest for poets also, dramatists, actors and public speakers too. They all participated in the Olympics. A religious festival and a fair which went on for 5 days were held along with the sports events. So this a religious festival in the Olympic Games. The religious festival religious festival and a fair which went for 5 days. So in that Olympic Games, religious festival was held, and that festival it went on for 5 days and held along the sports. Many traders took the opportunity to sell their goods to the visitors who attended the festival. So not only the participants but to the visitors also, the traders took the opportunity and sell their goods to the visitors and the participants. So I hope you have understood the lesson. So today your homework is you have to write these new words in your homework. Thank you.